morning, guys. I hope your day is going well. Today is gonna be so much fun. I have been craving going to the beach. Yeah, and just spend time by the water. I'm reading a really good book and maybe get a coffee. So that's the plan for today. I am picking up my friend, so we're gonna go together. It's just gonna be such a fun day. Just like the perfect summer day. So let's get going, guys. So I am back from the beach. I got a little sunburned, which is weird. So it was actually really windy out on the water. And so I ended up just wearing a jacket the whole time because it was like super cool out. But I think just driving home, the sun was like right through my window and I got a sunburn. But the beach was so nice. Like it was just so refreshing just being there. Like I just felt my soul just coming back to life. I sat on the beach, I read my book, walked to the pier, and then we went to this drive-in diner, which was actually a lot of fun. I haven't been to one really. Yeah, so now I think I'm gonna read. I'm reading this ghost story by Simone St. James. So I think we'll read that, and then I don't know, just being at the beach and just seeing the water just kind of made me want to watch The Little Mermaid. It's like my summer movie. I don't know. It's so dorky, guys. I know. So it is so gloomy outside now. It's raining off and on. So I think I'm gonna spend the rest of today just getting stuff done, like, you know, the normal weekend stuff, cleaning the apartment, doing any online work I have to do, like things like that. So which is just like a bunch of stuff just gotta get done in order to just be prepared for the week and everything else. So let's go. everything done I was hoping to get done, but that's okay. I can do it throughout the week. It's just nice to at least get some things done, especially some important things I had to get done. So now I think just to wind down the weekend, I'm gonna do a little movie night. I've really moved away from my movie nights. I used to do them every Friday night. So I think I'm gonna watch a movie. I'm really feeling watching Safe Haven. I don't watch new movies too often. I don't know why. I think some of it's just I don't want to commit to something I might not like. I don't know. I gotta be really interested in a movie to watch it. But I think I might watch Safe Haven. Make some popcorn and yeah, just enjoy the night and wind down. So anyways, thank you so much for joining me guys, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye.